Spotty wanted to build his house. Spotty, blinking twice, tied straw wisp together. Long after, a simple and beautiful. Fluffy thought that his should be stronger. He picked up twigs in the forest and got a couple of days passed. Twig to twig, stick to stick, built a wooden house. Whitey decided to build a solid stone house. He dug up some clay and gathered sticks at the riverbank. Whitey was still building his house while his brothers were having fun. Eventually, the work was over. Soon, the hungry wolf came to Spotty's house. "Little pig, let me come in," the wolf said.
"No, not by the hair on my chinny chin chin,"
Spotty said. "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in," said the wolf, and blew with all his might. Spotty's house began falling to pieces. Spotty barely managed to jump out of the heap of straw right in front of the wolf's mouth and ran to Fluffy's house. The wolf snapped his teeth and ran after Spotty. Hungry and angry, the wolf was growling and pounding at the door. "Come out," the wolf said, and blew as strong as he could. The brittle wooden house began falling apart. Trying to escape the wolf, they rushed away and raced to Whitey's house. The wolf got angry. He was pounding at the door and blowing with all his might. But the house stood stock still. Finally, the three little pigs were safe. pigs decided to feed the wolf, hoping that he would leave them alone. Unfortunately, it didn't work. The relentless wolf attempted to get in through the chimney. The wolf became so fat that he stuck in the chimney. The pigs went out of the house. They inflated up a lot of balloons and tied them to the wolf. The wind picked up the balloons and carried the wolf. After that, Spotty and Fluffy realized that they both needed more solid houses. Spotty built a small stone house instead of his straw shelter. Fluffy also did his best and built a great red brick house.